Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. As you can see here, the portfolio did okay today, ended the day in the green, up 0.52%, 527.88. Did trend down a bit in after hours trading, 0.04%, 38.83, but still ended the day in the green, so not too bad. And that's despite Portola continuing to trend down here a bit, 1.08% in the green. That's following, as you guys know, that one-day $10,000 return. It did trade up nicely after that as well, from 55, 56 all the way up to 66, but it's now trended back down to 55, what it was right after that big trade up there. So that represents about a gain and then loss of about $6,000 for the portfolio. So wish I could have timed that peak a little bit better, but I still think this is a great stock moving forward with the FDA decision still pending on one of its most influential drugs. One of the more influential drugs I think that will be coming through FDA review this year. And as you guys know, I did take out a bit of capital from some of my day and swing trades to hold in cash as I anticipated maybe a little bit of a pullback in the market. Looks like the market did very well today. Let's just kind of take a look at all the stocks. A lot of stocks in the green today. Boeing, for example, 0.97%. Lockheed Martin, 1.26% in the green. Not a lot of stocks in the red, as you can see in the middle there. All of my high dividend yielding ETFs in the green. Most of my pharmaceutical healthcare stocks in the green as well. Consumer discretionary in the green. Consumer staples as well. Financials did very well today as well. 1.99% for BOFI. HBAN 1.89%, MS 2.02%, and Wells Fargo WFC 1.08%. Technology did very well today. Apple AAPL 1.68%, AMD 4.82%, Intel 1.48%, Microsoft 1.46%, Telecoms TVZ did very well today. So really, overall, a very good market. My portfolio was not up that much just because of how high of a percentage I have held in Portola, and that did as I say, trend down a bit here today, 1.08%. Now that I have a little bit of capital held as cash, I decided to do a little bit of high-risk play with PSEC here, Prospect Capital. It was trending down here a bit. If we take a look at over the last 1 year, with the dividend cut here, definitely trended down quite dramatically. Then it's also been trending down over the last 1 month here. You can see it's down 2.08%. I decided to go ahead and pick up some shares here, as you can see on the bottom here. Picked up 125 shares at $7.84, so just under $1,000 for this particular trade. I'm going to be holding this not long term, maybe over the next few months or so. This is a very high risk but high yield dividend stock. You can see in the middle here under statistics, 12.787% for dividend yield, PE ratio 9.506. It's an okay company, a mid-cap company, $2.82 billion company, but this is a business development company. These are typically very risky stocks to hold longer term. They have great dividend yields. I'm going to hold this a couple months while I'm waiting for the market to trend down and pick up a nice dividend yield. But this particular stock is very risky because its dividend is more than what it makes in revenue per share. So the dividend per share is more than a revenue per share, which over the long term will degrade the price of a stock. So this is not a great stock to hold longer term, but you can see here that I have been holding this for quite some time. I just had a few shares here. This is one of the first stocks I did buy with the Robinhood portfolio. You can see here I've been getting $2.58 pretty consistently over the last year and a half or so. Decided to put a little bit more money into this, again, just to hold it kind of like a high-yield savings account. It is a little bit risky doing that, so I'd only put in $1,000 out of the $10,000 to $15,000 I have held right now. But just wanted to update you guys on what I was doing with the portfolio. Otherwise, I'm going to be taking a look real closely at GE. This is a great stock that has been trending down over the past few months here, over the past year. Let's go up to GE if I can find it. I think I went by it. There we go. On the bottom, GE. This is a risky play. This is a contrarian investment play. Basically, when folks are getting out of the stock, the price of the stock will drop. You can pick it up for cheap with the hopes that it will rebound at a later date. And you can see here, definitely trending down here from 31, 32 all the way down to 25, 29, ending the trading day today. So I might pick up a few of these shares. If it does get down to 23, 22, I'm definitely going to jump in, probably $4,000 to $5,000 worth of stock. But that's a very risky play as well. That's definitely a contrarian investment play. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on the portfolio, how the portfolio did today, and what I'm going to be doing a little bit longer term with the portfolio, looking at GE, picking up some shares to hold longer term, holding a little bit of my cash in PSEC, a business development company with a high dividend yield. Very risky play, but have quite a bit of cash held right now, so I thought I would kind of play around with that with PSEC. Otherwise, I'll be looking to dollar cost average and average down on a lot of my holdings so far, including Ford and including a lot of the blue chip stocks that I have held in the portfolio since I first opened this about a year and a half ago. So yeah, don't want to make the video too long here. I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any great video ideas, please let me know. Always looking for new topics to read up on. And if you guys have any questions about this video or other videos, please let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. It's been a little bit busy at work here, so I apologize. I have not been returning your guys' comments in a timely fashion. I hope that changes over the next couple of weeks here. But again, if you guys have any good questions, and if there's enough questions about a particular topic, I'll definitely put out a video about that topic. So again, the portfolio, end of the day, in the green, did okay. Looking at PSEC, looking at GE, longer term. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.